the Chicago hardy fig. Reason we carry that one is it's a little hardier than your more traditional varieties. So brown turkey, Celeste, the ones that are popular in Virginia here, are really only hardy to zone 7, which is what we are. If we get a very harsh winter, cold snap, that kind of thing, it can kill off the foliage and a lot of the stems or branches die down into the crown. So really not a need to cover this one. It's hardy to zone 5, the Chicago hardy fig is, and it'll give you growth each year, leaf and branch, maintaining through the winter to yield you a good amount of fruit each year. So come on out, ready in stock. Fall's a great time to plant. Look forward to seeing you soon.